Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, what are we going to do? We are going to understand how does the graph of different kinds of power function looks like. So rather today's video is going to be a shorter one. So quickly we'll just see how graph of different kinds of power function looks like. And along with that, we will also see how does a exponential function looks like, how does a logarithmic function looks like, because these are some of the functions that we will keep looking at in our course for MME. So that is going to be the agenda for today. So let's just quickly get into the video without talking about anything else. So if you've already been there with me, thank you so much. Your support means a lot to me. And if you're new to my channel, so we are doing a series for MME, which is Mathematical Methods for Economics Semester 1 for BA Economics students. So if you are someone who is pursuing that course, so it'll be quite relevant for you. And you might consider subscribing to my channel. So, okay, let's start talking about it. So in order to discuss different graphs, what are we going to use? We are going to use a tool which is available online, which is called Desmos, which is desmos.com. So let's see. So basically, what you can do is you can, draw any kind, like you can just write any kind of equation here and you will see what that graph looks like. So let's say, for example, I want to see how does the graph of y equals to x looks like. So आपने बस यहाँ पे equation put की y equals to x and this is exactly how your graph looks like. So हमारा graph किस तरीके से दिखने वाला है? We saw that, okay? So this can also be considered a power function जिसकी जो exponent है, जो power है, that is 0, right? Let's say I want to see how does y equals to x square looks like. So आपने यहाँ पे ये x square put किया, ये जो भी आपकी equation थी, and then what do? You just see how this looks like. So because ये हमारे powers जो है वो बहुत ही, the axis was quite big. So this is how it looks like. So ये आपका y equals to x square का जो ग्राफ है, this is how it looks like. ठीक है, so y की वैल्यू हमेशा पॉजिटिव है, this is your positive y axis, and as different values of x take place, आपका y value corresponding values ले लेता है. ठीक है, so this is a tool which you could use to understand and visualize different problems in mathematics. So this is something which I personally use a lot. So this could be very helpful for you as well in general. So you can consider using this as well. And okay, so let's say just say y equals to x square का graph आपने देखा, ठीक है? So what if I want to see y equals to x power 3 graph, right? So हमने इस तरीके से कुछ draw किया. So this red color का जो भी हमारा graph होगा, that corresponds to y equals to x cube. So हम क्या देख रहे हैं? Y equals to x cube is this red one, ठीक है? So you can choose to ignore these two, and this is how your x power 3 graphs look like. So x power 3 जो है, y value is taking both positive values, this is positive y axis, and it's also taking negative values, so that is also happening. ठीक है, similarly अगर आप देखो कि y equals to x power 4, how does that look like? So that again looks something like this. ठीक है, if I just want to remove this, so this is how y equals to x power 4 looks like. ठीक है, वन कॉमन फीचर जो हम बार बार देख रहे हैं वो क्या है कि ये जो सारे हमारे पावर फंक्शंस हैं, ये सबके ग्राफ, ऑल ऑफ देम आर पासिंग थ्रू दिस पॉइंट विच इज 1,1 एंड विच इज क्वाइट नेचुरल ऑल्सो, क्योंकि हमारा पावर फंक्शन जो था इट वाज व्हाट, y इक्वल्स टू x पावर r. अगर आपकी x की वैल्यू 1 होती है तो आप r विच इज योर पावर जो एक्सपोनेंट है, वो अगर आप कुछ भी पुट करें, your value is also always coming out to be 1. So ये जो भी आप अलग अलग तरीके के ग्राफ्स प्लॉट करेंगे, सब के सब they will all be satisfying this particular point which is 1,1. So 1,1 से हमेशा आपका जो ग्राफ है that will pass through it. ठीक है, so that is one thing. Okay, all right, so okay, so there is one more thing that I want to tell you. Okay, so ये तो हो गया कि चलो ठीक है, पॉजिटिव पावर्स हैं. अभी हम फिर से पॉजिटिव पावर्स के बारे में ही अंडरस्टैंड करना चाहते हैं. बट व्हाट इफ माय पावर्स आर इन डेसिमल? ठीक है, सो लेट्स से इट्स समथिंग लाइक x रेज टू द पावर. सो यहाँ पे x पावर 2 है What if it is x power 1 by 2? 1 by 2 is 0.5. So I want to see how does 0.5 looks like. So 0.5 मैंने देखा, okay, 0.5 मैंने देखा, and it started looking like this. So this green color की जो line है, that is my graph for x, y equals to x 0.5, which is also you can say y equals to root x का जो ग्राफ है वो इस तरीके से हमें दिखाई देता है, ठीक है. सो दिस इज माई y equals to x पावर 0.5 ग्राफ, ठीक है. अब ये जो y equals to x अंडर रूट है और y equals to x square है, if you see both of them, just only focus on the positive quadrant. हम क्या देख रहे हैं कि 1 is like this is x square and this is root of x, ठीक है. If you look very very carefully, what you will see कि ये जो दोनों ग्राफ्स हैं, they are like mirror image of each other. ये एक दूसरे के mirror image हैं. Along what? कि ये वाली जो हमारी एक्सेस है y equals to x line, which is a straight line which is passing through the origin, ठीक है. y equals to x line के corresponding these two graphs are mirror image of each other, right? These two are mirror image of each other. Mirror image माने कि मान लीजिए कि ये जो पर्पल लाइन है यहाँ पे आपने एक मिरर रख दिया, ठीक है. तो जो ग्राफ ये है उसका एग्जैक्ट कॉपी मिरर में will be this green colored line, ठीक है. And this particular phenomena is prevalent for any power, like any compared power. जैसे कि अगर आप x power 3 और x power 1 by 3 को समझने की कोशिश करें, so we see the same phenomena happening. So I'll just remove this one and this one and I'll activate this one, which is x power 3. And if I want to see y equals to x power 1 by 3, ठीक है. So you see these two graphs are again mirror images of each other along this line y equals to x, right? Similarly, the same thing is happening for x power 4 as well, ठीक है. So this is just to show you that this is a very general phenomena जो हर एक corresponding power के लिए applicable है, ठीक है. So x power 1 by 4. So you see these two are again, mirror image of each other along this particular line, which is y equals to x. So this is a very special property which is applicable here. So if I show you all these graphs, तो ये सारे इस तरीके से जो है, they all look like this. So they all cut at 1,1 and they're all below this line y equals to x after the 1 value. And if you look at all these graphs, so they are all on the top of y equals to x line after 1,1, ठीक है. सो इस तरीके के अलग अलग जो है हमने ग्राफ्स देखे हैं अभी, ठीक है. सो दैट वाज वन स्पेशल प्रॉपर्टी दैट आई वांटेड टू टॉक टू यू अबाउट, व्हिच इज x पावर n एंड x पावर 1 by n, ठीक है. उसका जो ग्राफ होगा, they will be mirror image of each other along y equals to x line. So that is 1, ठीक है. Along with that, अभी तक हमने वो सारे पावर्स को डिस्कस करा है, वो सारे पावर्स डिस्कस किए हैं जहां पे जो पावर की वैल्यू है वो पॉजिटिव है, ठीक है. पावर की वैल्यू यहाँ पे 1 थी, 2 थी, 3, 4, 0.5, 1 by 3, 1 by 4. All these were positive powers. So what if my power comes out to be negative, ठीक है. What if I want to draw, okay, what if I want to draw y equals to x power -1? So तब क्या होगा? So y equals to x power -1 अगर आप ड्रॉ करोगे, so it's going to be a downward graph, ठीक है. डाउनवर्ड ग्राफ का क्या मतलब है? डाउनवर्ड स्लोपिंग का ग्राफ का क्या मतलब है कि जैसे जैसे आपकी x वैल्यू इंक्रीज हो रही है, आपकी जो y वैल्यू है, इट्स गोइंग डाउन, इट्स कमिंग डाउन. दैट इज व्हाट इज हैपनिंग हियर, ठीक है. सिमिलरली आप y इक्वल्स टू x पावर -2 को अगर प्लॉट करने की कोशिश करोगे, so what do you see? Again, this is also downward sloping. So what do we see? What is a pattern that we are able to recognize here, which is कि अगर आपकी power negative है, तो आपका जो ग्राफ है, it is downward sloping, ठीक है. So चाहे आपकी power negative 0.5 हो, चाहे x power -1 हो, -2, any negative power will result in a downward sloping graph for your power function. ठीक है? So these two things you can keep in mind whenever you're visualizing any problem like that. So this could be very, very helpful there in terms of visualizing. जो हमारा next topic होगा, that is going to be exponential functions. So what is exponential function and all that? We will talk in detail about that. ठीक है? So there is one difference between power function and exponential function. तो देखो, जो पावर फंक्शन था वो क्या था हमारे पास, y इक्वल्स टू एक्स रेज टू द पावर आर. सो कोई एक x वैल्यू है जिसकी पावर एक फिक्स्ड नंबर है. जो हमारा एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन होगा वहां पे we will have a what will we will have a fixed base. So ये जो x वैल्यू है ये हमारे पास फिक्स्ड रहेगी, हमारी पावर चेंज होती रहेगी. ठीक है? So it will be something like this. So let's say y equals to 2 raised to the power x. So now this x is changing. So आपका base 2 हो गया. ठीक है? So वहां पे क्या हो रहा था, x raised to the power r, where r was some constant, some rational number. But exponential functions में क्या होता है, आपका base जो 2 value है, 3, 4, whatever that number is going to be, that number remains same. आपकी power change होती रहती है. ठीक है? So this is how an exponential function looks like. ठीक है? So ये आपका exponential function हो गया. I'm so sorry. Just a minute. Suddenly started happening. Okay, anyways, coming back. So जैसे आपका 2 raised to the power x function है, this is an exponential function. ठीक है? Usually exponential function जब भी हम बोलते हैं तो हमारे दिमाग में आ जाता है y equals to e power x. So if you want to draw that, e raised to the power x. So this is how it looks like. So this is how the graph is. So ये x की value जब 0 होती है, anything raised to the power 0 is 1. So that's where it intersects the y-axis and then it's positive. ठीक है? So इस तरीके से हमारा exponential function दिखाई देता है. ठीक है? Similarly, if you want to see how does a log function looks like, so y equals to natural log ln x. If you write, we will talk in detail. So we have chapter 8, which is in detail talking about exponential function, and in some of the other section we will also look at log function. So there we will talk in detail about both these functions. But here I'm just trying to make some point, which is, see, this is y equals to e raised to the power x. ठीक है? And this is y equals to natural log x. So जब आप इन दोनों ग्राफ्स को देख रहे हो, so this is your exponential one, this is your exponential function graph, okay, and this is your logarithmic function graph. ठीक है? log is only defined for positive values. So ये जो log की domain है और उसकी जो log की जो domain है, domain माने what all possible values of x you can put. So its domain is पॉजिटिव रियल नंबर्स, दैट्स योर डोमेन. एंड रेंज तो कुछ भी हो सकती है, नेगेटिव नंबर्स भी आ रहे हैं हमारे रेंज में और पॉजिटिव नंबर्स भी आ रहे हैं. ऑन द अदर हैंड, व्हाट डू वी सी हियर फॉर द एक्सपोनेंशियल फंक्शन व्हिच इज y इक्वल्स टू e पावर x, इस फंक्शन की डोमेन क्या है? डोमेन कैसे पता चलता है? डोमेन क्या होता है? व्हाट ऑल पॉसिबल वैल्यूज can happen for this function. So what all possible values? We are taking negative values as well, we are taking positive values as well. बट ये जो फंक्शन का रिजल्ट है जिसको हम रेंज ऑफ अ फंक्शन बोलते हैं, दैट रिजल्ट इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव. सो ये जो e पावर x है, इसकी डोमेन है रियल नंबर, लेकिन इसकी रेंज क्या है? पॉजिटिव रियल नंबर्स, राइट? या सो ओके. सो if you see these two functions, so हम क्या देख रहे हैं? they are also kind of a mirror image of each other. Along what point? So if I again go back here, so you see, अगर मैं इस लाइन पे मिरर रख दूं, and if I just see the reflection of this particular graph on this side, I will get exactly this log graph. And same thing, अगर मैं इस ग्राफ का मिरर इमेज देखूं along this mirror, I will get this graph. Okay, so both of these are inverse of each other. Okay, e power x and log x are inverse of each other. I hope you know these concepts. If not, in the due course, we will be talking about these things. So yeah, so these 2-3 things I wanted to share with you. First, you can highly recommend it. You can definitely use this particular website, which is desmos.com. यहाँ पे I mean, it's not like I'm promoting or something, but हाँ, it has been very useful for me to visualize lots of graphs. So किसी भी तरीके का complicated graph अगर आप use करना चाहते हो, you can definitely use that. And yeah, so we just looked at different kinds of possibilities of log power functions, अलग अलग तरीके के, how do they look, and yeah, what are all the points that can be understood from these by looking at these graphs. ठीक है, so बहुत ही एक jumbled तरीके से हमने सारे के सारे graphs देखे हैं. I hope this is helpful for you. And yeah, so this was a very real quick short video. So please take it as a reference. Try drawing lots of graphs on your own, or maybe looking at them online, because जब आप किसी चीज को visually देख लेते हो, more and more ideas coming to your mind, and you have a better grip over the concept as well. So highly recommend it. And I'll see you in my next video, which will be based on exponential function. So exponential function का meaning क्या होता है, उसके कुछ application and कुछ problems we will do. So that will be our agenda for next video. So yeah, I think that's it for today's video. If you liked today's video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel. Till we meet again, take care and have a good night. Thank you so much.